Today is for the makeup lovers. So I have a spring beauty haul for you today. I'm going to be sharing with you some new beauty products that I received from L'Oreal, Urban Decay, Summer Fridays, E.L.F, Pixie, Garnier. And not only am I going to be showing you the products, baby, we are swatching today. Yes, I'm going to be swatching all the cute little blushes I got, lipsticks. So if you are interested in checking out today's video, you already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Curvy girls all over the world, it's your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and like I said, it is a spring beauty haul today. So we're just going to jump right in and get into it, darling. So I did get a PR package from L'Oreal. So L'Oreal sent me a nice little box of goodies. They sent me quite a few different products. So first of all, let's get into the L'Oreal blush. So they sent me their infallible 24-hour fresh wear blush, and this is in the shade Fearless. So it's a coral blush, which I'm totally here for that. So this is what the coral blush looks like. It's a very pretty color. This is gonna look gorgeous on my skin, so I'm gonna just swatch it. So that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. So this is what the coral blush looks like. It's like a pinkish orange color. This is beautiful, and this feels really smooth too. When I swatched it, it felt very soft. It didn't feel grainy. Okay, so I cannot wait to play with this. All right, so next up, they did send me their Blurfection Infallible Blurring and Brightening Loose Setting Powder. So this is in the shade Medium Deep, and this is supposed to blur and brighten. And let me open it up. So it's basically a setting powder. So this is good because we always, as we're aging, we need a good setting powder. So this is what it looks like. So obviously I'm a chocolate brown girl. So this one is a medium deep. This is me swatching it. So it feels nice and finely milled, nice and smooth. So obviously we won't know until we put it on with some concealer, but it's supposed to blur your fine lines. Also, they say it's supposed to keep you smooth and blurred for up to 24 hours, but I don't know who wears their makeup for 24 hours, so we won't know that. So they also said it's transfer resistant, and it's also flashback resistant, and it's talc free. But you know, L'Oreal always has really good, affordable makeup products. But yeah, this looks like this might be good. Okay, so they also sent me, they sent me some lippies. Okay, we love a good lippy. So they sent me 2 of their Plump Ambition lip oil. So one is a tint and one is an actual lip oil. So let's swatch these. We're going to do the lip oil, and this is in the shade Worth It. So that's what the lip oil looks like. So for the lip oil, it's also supposed to give a glass-like shine. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's gonna plump your lips. So I'm quite sure this probably has something that's gonna make your lips tingly. And this is what this shade looks like. So this is like a pink, like a pinky nude for me. So that's what that looks like. It's definitely shiny. It has a little bit hint of color. All right, so now we're gonna swatch the lip tint, and the lip tint shade is Worth It. Oh, they're both called Worth It. Oh, because one is a lip tint and one is a lip oil. Okay, so here's the lip stain. So this is probably a little bit more matte and has a little bit more color. All right, so we're gonna swatch that. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, so that's the lip stain and Worth It, and this is the lip oil. So the lip stain has a little bit more pigment in the color. So these look like a pinky nude, so I may need like a little lip pencil with this, but we'll play around with it. Okay, so they also sent me their 3-second setting mist. This is their 36-hour setting mist. This has gone viral. So many people love this and really say that this works. I've never tried it, so I'm actually excited to try it. It also says that it defies transfer. Okay, well, I feel like since it's a spray, it probably does. And it's also waterproof. Okay, and sweat resistant. Oh, it's clothes resistant. Now, wait a minute. And it's smudge resistant. Okay, I gotta try this. I have to try this. I cannot wait. Next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna try this. All right, so then we also have a faux brow pencil. So this is a double brush tip faux brow from L'Oreal. And you guys, I told you in my what I'm not buying anymore video is brow pencils. I use a brown liner to do my eyebrows, but you know, this one was free, so we're gonna try it. So this is again the faux brow pencil. This is supposed to give a natural looking finish. It's smudge resistant, transfer resistant, heat resistant, and it's waterproof. So they sent me this in black. Okay, so it looks like it outlines your brow because there's two prongs. There's two prongs. And look when I swatch it. So, okay, this is the faux brow. Okay, that looks interesting. I wouldn't mind playing around with that. Oh, and then they also sent some shadow sticks. I love a good shadow stick too. It's just like one and done. You don't have to do too much. So they sent me 2 shades of the shadow sticks. So they sent me Cloudy Rose. And then they also sent Magnetic Mauve. Okay, so let's swatch these really quickly. The swatch sticks are also smudge resistant and transfer resistant, and these are buildable. So let's do this pink one first. And this one again, this is called Cloudy Rose. So that looks pretty. It almost has like a little iridescent shine to it. So again, this is Cloudy Rose. Okay, and then now we're gonna swatch Magnetic Mauve. Oh, these are also retractable. I didn't realize that. This is Magnetic Mauve right here, the second one. Yeah, so these look nice. And that's just like boop, 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 1, 2, and you out the door. And this is definitely good for the springtime. They also sent me their skin ink. So this is their concealer. So it's a hybrid formula. It says that it feels like foundation. It covers like a concealer and it's buildable. It's also a soft matte coverage for up to 48 hours. They're also saying this is transfer resistant. Now they sent it to me in the shade 430 Cool. So I just want to swatch that real quick. This is either going to be like a highlighting shade for me or it's going to be something that blends in with my skin tone. Let's see. Oh, that blends in with my skin tone. Okay, come on, chocolate. All right, I cannot wait to try this. I mean, but you can even kind of see the coverage. It does look like foundation. So even if I didn't want to put on foundation, this looks like something I could just like get under my eyes and some of my dark spots, blend it out, use the blurring setting powder. Oh, and I'll be good to go. Okay, y'all, I cannot wait to play with this. That is it for L'Oreal. Thank you so much for sending all of these products. I cannot wait to play in this makeup. Okay, so next up, we did get some new makeup in from Pixi. So Pixi sent me makeup and skincare. So let's start with the blushes. They sent me the Pixi by Petra on the Glow blush. They sent me 3 shades. So I have a pink, another one called Juicy, and another one called Ruby, which Ruby looks like it's more of like a pinkish red. And let's swatch these real quick. So these are a tinted moisture stick. So these are on the Glow blushes. They're hydrating and they are a solid cheek tint. So you could do this for your cheeks, ooh, or your lips. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It twists up. This is the Juicy shade. Oh yeah, it's definitely a really light tint. You can see it. It's orange. It looks kind of orange, but it's more of a peach. It looks buildable too, because the more I put, the more color payoff. Okay, and that glides on. I think that's good for the spring too when you want like a little dewy look. Okay, so we're going to swatch Ruby. Oh yeah, yeah. This is what Ruby looks like. So that's a true kind of berry color, raspberry looking color. That's pretty too. Okay, so now I'm going to swatch Floor. Floor is a really light pink. So that one may not work for me. We'll see. Yeah, this is a really light pink. So I can see this kind of looking blotchy. Yeah, because it already looks blotchy on my hand. So Floor is not my color, but the other two, Juicy and Ruby, yes. Okay, so they sent me their Pixie skin treats. So this is the Super Berry Cleansing Whip. It's blueberry and raspberry. It's a refining daily cleanser. So this is what it looks like. I love this color of packaging. So the Super Berry is a protective cleansing balm. It's antioxidant rich, and it also deep cleanses, and it's infused with blueberry and raspberry. I'll swatch some of this. Yeah, it has a little smell to it. I don't know if it smells like a berry, but this is what it looks like. So it's supposed to give a rich lather, which I can see because I put a little bit on. Yeah, it smells good though. I could say that. It definitely smells good. Okay, then they also sent their antioxidant mist. So this is also blueberry and ceramide. So this is a moisture essence, and it's supposed to protect your skin. Let's spray it. So it's a lightweight, supposed to keep your skin moisturized. Okay, so we can't wait to try that. I want to try all of it together too, since it seems like they sent me the whole kit. This is also, they also sent the roll-on antioxify serum. So this is blueberry and ceramide. This is to preserve your eyes. So this is a under eye serum, and then it has, you know, those little silver balls to help, you know, roll under your eyes with, to kind of like massage under your eyes gently. So this is nice too. I can't wait to try that. Especially now that I'm a woman of a certain age, we definitely got to take care under the eyes. And then the last thing Pixie sent me are their skin treats. This is their eye mask goggles. You get 3 eye masks in here. Now the eye mask, it says, these eye masks provide cooling, hydrating, and antioxidant protection. Use chilled for extra depuffing around the entire eye area. So that is everything that Pixie sent me. And since it is spring, I'm a blush girl when it comes to spring. So I always wanted to try the E.L.F. Camo liquid blush. These look super pigmented. So I got one in this pink berry color, and I also got one in orange. Y'all, these are highly, highly pigmented and very affordable. All right, so here's the orange. All you need is a dot. All you need is a little dot of this. This is one of those liquid blushes that a little goes a long way. So this is what it looks like as I'm blending it out with my finger. Yeah. These are very pigmented. So this is something I would do like underpainting. That's like a whole new thing now, where I would put this on my bare face and then put my foundation on, because this is very intense. All right, so here's the pink one. I'm going to put a little dot. You see the pink? Now let me blend the pink out. Okay, so this is me blending out the pink. So yeah, you can see that pigment is everything. Yeah. This is something that's definitely good for the springtime and the summer. It's nice and creamy. So this is what the orange and the pink looks like. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. So I definitely can't wait to try these. These I'll definitely want to play in. Okay, and then I have a lip oil. It's a glimmer finish from E.L.F. And this is in the shade Opalology Tour. So let's swatch this. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like a purple. It gives like a purple iridescent color. You can see it. It comes out purple. This is really pretty. Really pretty. So I definitely want to try that. So I did get some makeup from Summer Fridays. So this was in a gift bag for me. So I have their Dream lip oils. And then I also have a lip butter balm. So I'm going to show you the lip oil I'm wearing today. So this is their Midnight Berry color. And that's what I have on my lips today. I love the tinted, the pigment it gives. It's very, very moisturizing. My lips feel hydrated. And on top of that, gives really good shine. Let me reapply while I'm here with you guys. It's such a nice color. So it's a nice chocolate brown color. I really, really like it. And then I have another shade, which is, I think this one is more of like a pinkish shade. This one is in what they're calling Rosebud. Swatch this one. It looks like a real kind of bright pink. But since it's a lip oil, it's probably going to glide. Yeah, you can't even really tell how bright the pink is. So this is Rosebud. So it's just a sheer light pink. So this is something I could even do a liner with, like a berry colored liner, a purple liner, and put this over it. But as you can see, it definitely has really high shine. These are very moisturizing. I could tell you that for sure. So I also have, now this one is the Lip Butter Balm. And this one is a squeeze tube. So this one comes out like a peachy color. Yeah, this one has a really nice peachy color. It looks really light though. So I think this is also something I would definitely have to use a liner with. But this smells good. They all smell good. This smells like a cookie. But yeah, so this is what that looks like. So if you want to check out the Summer Fridays lip oils, definitely check them out. I love the Midnight Berry. And also this smells really good. I would probably have to try another shade. But again, this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a peachy color. All right, so we did get some PR from Urban Decay. I just can't remember if I showed this to you or not. I know that I did a TikTok video with this, but I'm like, did I film it for YouTube? Anyway, so forgive me if you've seen it, but if not, get into it. So Urban Decay sent me their new mascara and also their new eyeliners. I have always said they have some of the best eyeliners out here on the market. Their eyeliners are so creamy. So they sent me about, what is this, 6 or 7 of their eyeliners. This is their 24/7 liquid stick. It's a retractable eyeliner. And it also comes with a brush at the end of the eyeliner. So this way you can like feather out your eyeliner, whatever eye look you're doing with the eyeliner, you can use the brush to feather it out or play around with it. Now, I'm just going to pop in the swatches I did for TikTok because I did a whole TikTok review on it. But yeah, these are the new 24/7 liquid sticks. Well, all right, guys, that is it for me. As always, I will have links down in the description box for you guys to check out everything I showed you. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead, hit me with a thumbs up. Also, share it. Drop me a comment if there's anything here that you've tried and you already know how it works, or if you want to try. If you watch more than 2 or 3 of my videos, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, along with the notification bell, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys ever want to keep up with me, you want to know what I'm doing, where I'm going, or what I'm wearing throughout the week, make sure you are following Stylish Curves on Instagram. For more plus size style, fashion, and beauty, make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. As always, I enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope that you enjoy hanging out with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.